SpaRRk Academy is the new virtual platform that all Rio Rancho public school students are welcome to join, and it's an opportunity for students to still engage in virtual learning. I think virtual learning is fantastic. We have had an opportunity in my classroom this year to really connect with each other even though we're over the computer. I have seen all levels, academic levels, skyrocket this year. Problem solving is actually a skill that has to be taught and practiced, and so there's a lot of opportunities for that in the virtual world. The organization skills that are coming out of this and the patience and the tech ability is tremendous. We have dedicated the best teams of professionals to make this virtual academy be everything that families want it to be. I love SpaRRk Academy because of the opportunity that it allows for our children and our students to become competitive in a technology-based world. We look forward to seeing all smiling faces at SpaRRk Academy.